this is John Moss with Before Time Attendance Solutions. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean the inside and outside of a Handpunch 1000, 2000, 3000, or 4000 F-Series Handpunch time. We will begin by taking the time clock off the wall. There is a back plate that's attached to the wall, and there is a silver key that we will then put into the side and turn towards us to take the hook off of the back plate. We simply stick it in the side here and turn it towards us. Time clock will then slide down on its hinge, and we can then take it off of the wall to begin the cleaning process. Today we'll be cleaning a Handpunch 2000 XL. When the clock gets cleaned on the outside, you need to clean three surfaces. The platen, where people place their hand. There's a trapezoidal mirror over here that needs to be cleaned, and then the pane of glass above. The camera resides on the other side of the glass. The preferred method for cleaning this is a lint-free cloth with Windex or a paper towel, and you clean the three surfaces so that then the hands can be seen clearly through the glass. When you're going to take the back plate off of a Handpunch to get in to clean the inside of the Handpunch, you have one of two configurations. The older Handpunches have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, with the fourth one having a ground wire, whereas the new ones will have 5 screws, where the 5th screw is the actual ground. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 plus the ground. Our next thing to do is to go ahead and take the back plate off. Once the 4 screws are off, the back plate simply lifts off. Set that aside. Once you have the back plate off, there are 3 screws to take off, right here, and directly under the ribbon cable here. There will be a silver screw just on the other side of this ribbon cable. The motherboard can slip out, so you can actually get more room to take that screw out. That's the next thing I would do. Once those 3 screws are out, you have this T-shaped apparatus in here that will lift out. Simply lift up to take this out. It's okay for the motherboard to come along with it. Once you have this out, you can then clean with a Windex and paper towel the mirror on the inside. You then also have the camera here, where it has the nodes around a little black window on the inside. Take a paper towel and Kleenex on there and make sure that that black window looks clean to the eye. Once that's done, you then go ahead and clean the inside of the pane of glass here, and once all of those are clean and free of dust, you can then reverse the process and put it back together. That would be simply slide this back in. The motherboard has a little slot for it to be slid into, and you just push this down into place, as so, and put your screws back in. Once the screws have been put back into that apparatus, you could then put your back plate back into place. Then hook my ground wire to the screw and then go ahead and put all 4 screws back in.